What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channels. Today I going to the walk with the UDI's Newport News Park, and I going to the sushi bar. So let's get ready with me. So I'm gonna wear like this. Shoes for Adidas Ultra Boost and just normal white socks with the Victoria's Secret boxer shorts and Under Armour sports bra tops. And bags looks like that. And for pants, I really love this one. Okay, guys, let's go. Come with me.
I'm tired.
Welcome back, you guys. Welcome back to my channel.
Cheers, guys. Like, I have to do everything out already. You go walk with your plate, put it on your plate. Trust me, I remember it. About food.
Okay, guys, thank you for watching my channels. If you guys like my channels, please like and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you next video. See you.